UVgel is Canon's groundbreaking ink technology. It combines the advantages of eco-solvent, latex, and traditional UV ink. Its unique gel composition is instantly dry, odorless, and has a wide color gamut. It's highly robust, yet also stretchable. With a very controlled dot gain, UVgel technology is engineered to deliver consistent and high-quality output. Choose velvety matte or high-gloss finish, or combine both in one print. You can even add textures. UVgel technology is engineered for durability in outdoor applications, certified for indoor use, and designed to optimize ink usage and reduce waste during printing. The white gel handles like any other color. No extra maintenance, no printhead replacement. It's white ink without worry. UVgel is now available for wider media, both flexible and rigid. Get the UVgel advantage.